All right, today we are making Cherry Tootsie Pop. So what you're gonna need are 2 ounces of rum, your favorite. You're gonna do 6 ounces of Pepsi or Coke. You're going to do a half an ounce of Creme De Cacao, and then 1 ounce of Grenadine. All right, we've got everything here. Let's get to mixing. I'm gonna use my little handy dandy measuring tool here. Ounces of rum. Ooh, gonna eyeball some 6 ounces. Actually about right there. Wasn't a full can. And then we're going to add our half an ounce of Creme De Cacao. So, don't want to spill our liquor and cause a party foul here. Gonna mix that up real quick. Woo! Pop my lid. Going to pour that in there. Looks like a Tootsie Pop. And then we're gonna add our 1 ounce of Grenadine, and we're gonna let it sink. And then we're gonna drink it up. All right. Give that a moment. Let it do its thing. Close everything up here. I think we got sinkage. Let's give it a go. Holy crap. It does taste like a cherry Tootsie Pop. It's so good. That's very dangerous. All right, guys, so there you have it. Cherry Tootsie Pop. Give it a go.